Every journey to premium garlic powder begins with fresh garlic arriving at dawn. Precision starts at the gate, where every kilogram of garlic is recorded. Freshness is protected from the very first inspection. Efficiency moves thousands of garlic bulbs without damage. This hall is the gateway to industrial garlic transformation.
Approved. Only compliant garlic earns the right to move forward.
Quality is protected by removing flaws early. The flow begins, guided by engineered motion. The flow begins, guided by engineered motion. Every clove advances toward cleanliness. Field remnants are shaken away before water ever touches the cloves. Air clears what hands and gravity cannot. Water restores purity without bruising the cloves. Moisture is controlled before the next transformation. Preparation gives way to precision. Here, the garlic sheds its skin and moves closer to powder. Healing begins where air and motion replace manual labor. Controlled force removes skins without harming the clove. Waste is captured instantly, keeping the line pure. Whole bulbs now prepare to become individual cloves. Precision pressure unlocks each clove.
Order emerges from motion.
Human oversight guides automated vision.
Eyes of light protect uniformity.
Consistency is enforced in milliseconds.
Final human judgment seals quality.
Cleanliness is reinforced, not assumed. Moisture control protects flavor. Uniformity prepares for dehydration. Thickness defines the future powder.
Sliced garlic begins its journey toward preservation.
Consistency here defines drying efficiency.
Human precision fine-tunes automation. Thousands of slices move as one. Drying transforms garlic for long life.
Heat and time replace freshness with stability.
Drying is guided, not rushed. Air becomes the silent worker.
Water leaves, flavor stays. Dryness is measured in real time. Machines adapt to the garlic. The final breath of heat completes the change. Garlic emerges preserved and powerful. Cooling locks instability. From fresh clove to dried form, garlic stands ready for powder. Stability is secured before reduction begins.
Balanced moisture protects milling accuracy. Conditioned garlic returns to motion.
Safety is enforced invisibly.
Eyes confirm what sensors predict.
Size reduction begins in stages.
Flakes form the bridge to powder.
Uniform feed protects flavor.
Nothing valuable is wasted.
This is where powder is born. Control defines consistency. Mechanical force unlocks aroma. Fresh powder must breathe. Uniform texture awaits final refinement. Uniformity is refined through motion. Each grain finds its place. The desired texture is captured. Consistency is quantified. Flowability is engineered, not excessive. Balance preserves purity.
The blend moves forward.
Safety is confirmed again.
Invisible standards are verified.
Sensory checks protect authenticity.
Approval releases the product. Prepared for its final form.
Precision continues to the end.
The powder meets its final destination.
Automation prepares garlic powder for the world.
Measured flow protects consistency.
Identity is formed before sealing.
Accuracy defines every package.
Every pack carries its history.
Compliance is continuously confirmed.
Vision systems guard presentation.
Quality Javersny never slows production.
Protection extends beyond the packet.
Assurance continues at every level.
Flow pauses only to organize.
Machines build stability.
The product is ready to move onward.
Production ends. Preservation continues.
Environment protects quality long after processing.
Every pallet has a designated place. Digital tracking replaces guesswork.
Protection is maintained, not assumed.
Demand activates the final movement.
Stored value returns to motion.
Accuracy travels with the product.
Preparation meets departure. The factory's work reaches beyond its walls.
Security protects trust.
Distribution begins its course.
Movement is orchestrated at scale.
Compliance opens global doors.
Global journeys require larger vessels. Identity travels across oceans.
Accuracy is confirmed one last time.
Visibility extends beyond the factory. Local markets are served alongside global ones. Supply meets demand precisely.
The factory's reach expands.
One product, many destinations.
The journey nears its conclusion.
Nothing organic leaves without purpose. Waste becomes a resource. Clean air protects people and product. Power is measured as carefully as output. Lost heat is reclaimed. Reliability is built daily.
Safety is proven, not assumed.
People remain the priority. Cleanliness sustains confidence. The plant stands ready again. This is the final form of the factory's labor.
Every pallet carries traceable history.
The warehouse becomes a staging ground.
The product leaves the factory's embrace.
Trust is sealed with every shipment.
And this is how modern factories produce premium garlic powder from start to finish.
From field to shelf, the journey is continuous.
A single factory feeds millions with controlled precision.
Comment what's next.